Welcome to this video on speaking. We'll be using student book page 135 as our guide. Work in pairs and look at the speaking task. Listen to Pablo and Marina doing the task and consider what is going wrong and what Marina can do to put things right. Now listen to Pablo and Marina doing the task again. What phrases does Marina use to interrupt? Then, do the speaking task from exercise 1, taking turns playing the roles of a talkative student and a student who wants to interrupt. Finally, listen to the examiner and do the second part of speaking part 3. Part 4 questions relate to part 3 topics. Listen to Marina answering 2 part 4 questions. How does she answer them? Choose from the options provided. Put the phrases from Marina's answer into the correct column of the table. Then, work in pairs to think of 2 more phrases to add to each column of the table. Let's look at the speaking bank section. Match the beginnings and endings of the sentences to make suggestions. Then, listen and check. Also, choose the correct words to complete the questions you can use to ask your partner's opinion. Listen and check. Complete the expressions for agreeing and disagreeing with a word from the box. Then listen and check. Also, read and listen to the expressions for reaching agreement. Determine which expressions encourage your partner to reach agreement and which one shows agreement has been reached. Work in pairs and take turns to ask and answer the part 4 questions displayed here. Focus on pronunciation and word stress. Listen to the phrases from Marina's answers and underline the stressed highlighted words. Then, listen again and notice how the pronunciation changes when words are stressed or not. Finally, work in pairs to read the sentences aloud. We now move on to the writing section, focusing on student book page 137. In writing part 2, when writing an informal letter or email to a friend, use contractions. Start with a friendly phrase and finish with a friendly closing. Work in pairs. Read this exam task and discuss the questions below it. The task involves responding to a letter from a friend, asking for advice about visiting your country. Read Manolo's reply to Leo's letter and answer these questions. Check how he acknowledges Leo's letter, answers the 3 points, gives reasons for his advice, and the style he uses. Find these 5 ways of giving advice in Manolo's letter. These phrases include "I'd advise you to," "you should," "if I were you, I'd," "the best idea would be," and "make sure that." Write your own answer to the question using Manolo's letter as a model. Your response should be between 140 and 190 words.